In this video, we're going to be practicing identifying congruent triangles. So we're going to identify which property will prove these triangles are congruent. So we're looking at angle, side, angle, angle, side, or none. So looking at number 1, I see that I have 2 congruent angles and I have a congruent side. So here it's important to note whether that side is included or not. Here the side's included because it is between my 2 congruent angles. So that means that these are congruent by angle, side, angle. And you can remember that because side is in the middle of my 2 angles. Looking at number 2, I see that I have a congruent side, I have a congruent angle, and so that's not enough information to start with. However, I do notice that I have vertical angles here, and we learned that vertical angles are congruent. So I also have this third congruent angle, or the second one. So I have 2 angles that are congruent and a side. Now I need to look and see whether that side is included or not. And I see that this side is not between my 2 angles. It's not over here. It's on that non-included side. And so that means this one will be by angle, angle, side. Okay, looking at number 3, I see that I have an angle and 2 sides that are congruent. So that might make you think, hey, that one's by side, angle, side. However, my angle is not included in the 2 sides. It's not over here. So this is really saying SSA, which is not one of our theorems. So this one will be none. And now looking at this last one, I see that I have 2 pairs of congruent angles. So now I'm looking to see if there's a side congruent. And I do notice that these 2 triangles share a side. So that means that this side is also congruent by that reflexive property. So now I need to see whether that side's included, and I see that it is. It is between my 2 congruent angles. So that means that this one's going to be by angle, side, angle.